everyone, it's Jess from Sallie Tomato, and happy December 23rd. Today we're going to open up another gift. So find the little black satin bag, and on the outside there's a tag and it says, "Relax this holiday season. Between all of the holiday hustle and bustle, take time to rest, relax, and enjoy those simple moments." Today's gift features nourishing all-natural lip balm and a simple project, which is a mini mesh shower scrubby. So you can find the free tutorial on our blog, and it shows you step-by-step how to make the project. So it's fun to add into a gift basket or to use for yourself. So let's open it up and see the goodies inside. So first of all, here is the all-natural lip balm. I love this lip balm. I have some at my desk that I use all season long. It's vanilla, so it's a really nice scent. So then also inside the bag is some of our mini mesh. So this is a brand new product that we released this year. It's very versatile for bags and other projects. So this fabric, after you make your shower scrubby, you can simply just pop it in the wash and reuse it over and over again. So you'll need a couple extra supplies to make this project, which you likely have at home, and you will probably have some extra fabric too that maybe you can make a few extra. So I hope you enjoy making this project for gifts or for yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow for another present opening.